Guys, Miguel here with another quick video. How to clean your drywall pan with your knife, a bucket, and a towel. So pretty much every time I do any sort of drywall stuff, I have a bucket of water, a towel, and makes everything a lot easier. Basically what you want to do is you want to clean off your knife on your pan till it looks about like that, right? And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scrape as much as you can off from your pan. And once you have everything off, I'm just going to throw this in the trash can real quick. You end up with something that looks like this. Now you take your towel and you can just basically wash your whole pan in the bucket. So basically you just have everything go into the bucket. You're gonna end up with a really clean pan, and you're gonna end up with a really clean spatula, and it's super easy. This should take about 2 minutes to do, and everything is self-contained in this bucket. There it is. And then you can just do the same thing with your spatula. The trick is in the towel or in the bucket. So pretty much it's all done, ready to go. 1 minute and 58 seconds, and that's how you clean your drywall pan and spatula in about 2 minutes.